Hello everyone, welcome back to Crochet with Lisa. In my video tutorial today, I'm going to show you how to crochet an easy shell border. You can use this border on any afghan or other crochet projects. I'll be demonstrating it just on this smaller sample, just for this video tutorial. This border starts with a foundation row of single crochet stitches all the way around. It also uses double crochet stitches. In the sample that I'm showing you today, I used yarn that was a weight of 4 and a 5mm crochet hook. I hope you enjoy my video, find it easy to follow. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel to follow along with some other great projects. So let's get started. To begin the border, I always like to start with a foundation row of single crochets all the way around. If the main part of my project, my afghan, is one color, for example here it's white, and my border is going to be another color, so in this example pink, I would do a foundation row of white single crochets before I begin with my pink border. If my project or afghan is the same color as my border, then you can eliminate this first foundation row of single crochets, because with my pink I'm going to do a single crochet all the way around. I will start with attaching this pink anywhere is fine. I always like to tie my yarn to start. Just gives that a little bit of extra security. So I'm going to go through, I'm going to yarn over, some slip stitching, chaining 1, then I'm going to single crochet in that same space. Now I'm going to single crochet in each space around. When you get to your corner, so your corner single crochet, put 3 single crochets in there, then 1 single crochet in each single crochet all the way around till we get back here to the beginning. I'm back around at the beginning, so I'm just going to slip stitch into the top of that first single crochet, chain 1, I'm going to do a single crochet in that same space. Now we're going to skip 2 single crochets, and in that third single crochet we're going to put 5 double crochets. Okay, and that's our first shell made. So we're going to skip 2 single crochets and we're going to single crochet in that third one. We'll skip 2 more single crochets, then we're going to do 5 double crochets in our next one. Skip 2 single crochets and single crochet in the third one. So we've completed 2 of our shells, and that's what you're going to continue all the way around. When we get to the corner, I'll show you 2 different options for your corners. So I'm approaching the corner. I'm going to skip 2 single crochets, and in this corner one I'm going to do 5 double crochets. Then we're going to skip 2 single crochets and we'll do a single crochet in the third one. So as you can see, this shell with 5 double crochets will turn that corner nicely. But if you think that you need something a little bit more in the corner, then you can do 8 double crochets instead. Okay, so it really depends on your project. Maybe 5 will be fine in the corner and it will turn your corner nicely without puckering it up. But if you think that you need more, then go to 8 double crochets instead of 5. So we'll just continue with that same pattern all the way around. So 5 double crochets, then skip 2 single crochets, single crochet. Skip 2, 5 double crochets. We'll do that all the way around till we get back here to our beginning. Just getting back here to the beginning. And we're just simply going to slip stitch into the top of that first single crochet. Fasten off our yarn and then just weave it in. So that's how you do just a simple shell border. I hope you enjoyed following along in this tutorial. You found it easy to follow. Please like my videos and subscribe to my channel and you can follow along with other great projects. Have a great day and happy crocheting!